welcome back. We're taking another look at a movie review here. This time we're taking a look at a show called The Toys That Made Us. It's actually a TV show, or it's a Netflix series, and I've only seen 4 of the episodes. There's one on Star Wars figures, there's one on Barbies, there's one on He-Man, and then one on G.I. Joes. Now, I've heard that there's going to be a second season where they're going to talk about Legos and other things, but I have not seen those shows. Really looking forward to it, though. These shows are cool on multiple levels. I like shows that are about industry, tech, and business, and these definitely talk about the companies and the development of the toys and why and how the toys were developed, but also it gets into the culture and the kids and what we like to play with back then, and how that fed into their ability to keep making new stuff for us to play with. So really neat to see insight into each of these 4. Even the Barbie doll one, you might think as a guy you're not going to be interested in the Barbie doll stuff, but that story was super interesting. Highly recommend it. I suspect the opposite is true. If you don't like He-Man, I'm not a big fan of He-Man, really not that big a fan of G.I. Joe, but super interested in hearing their stories and seeing how they got to be what they are, and what they influenced going forward. So it's a neat show. Pretty sure most people who are of the age to have played with these kind of things will appreciate it. It's got pretty decent reviews out there on the web. Looks like you can find it on Netflix, and we're curious to hear what you think. Let us know in the comments. I want to thank our Patreons who make this possible and all our other projects. For as little as a cup of coffee each month, they allow us to pay the mortgage, pay the server bills, and then take time to do the 2A projects, community building, and some fun stuff like this. Thanks for watching.